Hey, this is Sell This Now. Every day I'm looking for new products to sell. So here's my top winning products of the day. It allows you to place the shower arm at any desired height. It's an evergreen product, which means you can sell this all year round, and it's compatible with most standard shower heads. It's suitable for all kinds of smooth walls, marble, metal plates, smooth wood, paintboard, ceramic tiles, and smooth glass. It falls under the home improvement household niche market. And we also think that this item has a broad market base, and it's a proven seller on AliExpress with many orders, and it's perfect for a one product store. And finally, the Facebook ad has received more than 3,000 likes. Now the selling price for the universal adjustable shower bracket is just under $20, whereas the product cost is only $4.58. Shipping is completely free, so you're looking at a good profit margin of $15.41. Sell this now! Our next product is the Jump Activation Ball. Now this is a problem solver. It never lets your dog be bored at home again. And this product will entertain your dog. It's an evergreen product, which means it's not seasonal and you can sell this all year round, and it falls under the dog's pet niche market, which are very passionate niches. And we also think that this item has a broad market base, and it's a proven seller on AliExpress with many orders, and many other similar products were selling very well before on the market, and it's perfect for a one product store or for a dog niche store. And finally, the Facebook ad is getting a lot of engagement with more than 2,000 likes. Now the selling price for the Jump Activation Ball is just under $20, whereas the product cost is only $3.04. Shipping will set you back $3.09, so you're looking at a good profit margin of $13.84. Sell this now! One app to rule them all. If you started Shopify Dropshipping and you already set up your store, there is one app you absolutely need. This app is called Vitals. It's an all-in-one Shopify app that combines more than 40 commonly used apps: product bundles, volume discounts, sticky add to cart, currency converter, product reviews, and the list goes on and on. Vitals is always the first app I install every time I create a new store, and it makes me save a ton of money. And at the moment, if you register to Vitals with our link, you will get 45 days free trial instead of 30 days. Click the link in the description to try Vitals for free. It will be the best app you've ever installed on your store. Our next product is the Winter Dog Fleece Vest. Now this is a definite problem solver. It protects your dog from the cold weather. It's stylish and cute, and it definitely has that wow effect. And it's a great product to sell during the winter season. It falls under the dog niche market, and we also think that this item has a broad market base, and it's a proven seller on AliExpress with many orders. And it's perfect for a one product store or for a dog niche store. And this item has a high perceived value, and it will give you a good profit margin. Now the selling price for the Winter Dog Fleece Vest is just under $30, whereas the product cost is only $8.27. Shipping is completely free, so you're looking at an excellent profit margin of $21.72. Sell this now! Our next product is the LED crochet hook set. Now this is a problem solver. It easily crochets with dark yarn or in dimly lit places. The brightness can be adjusted according to your needs. It comfortably crochets under any lighting conditions. It definitely has that wow effect, and it falls under the crochet, sewing, crafts, knitting, DIY niche market. And it's a proven seller on AliExpress with many orders. And this item has a high perceived value, and it will give you a good profit margin. And it's perfect for a one product store. Now the selling price for the LED crochet hook set is just under $35, whereas the product cost is only $12.20. Shipping will set you back 61 cents, so you're looking at an excellent profit margin of $22.18. Sell this now! Our next product is the L-shaped magnetic car phone holder. Now this is a problem solver. It can hold any smartphone, including Android, Apple, BlackBerry and Microsoft devices. It rotates smartphone and swivel display easily, and the base of the mount remains fixed into the air vent tightly. It's perfectly suitable for mounting and holding any smartphone in place, and it falls under the smartphone car niche market. And we also think that this item has a broad market base, and many other similar products were winning products before on the market. And it's a proven seller on AliExpress with many orders, and it's perfect for a one product store. And finally, the Facebook ad is getting a lot of engagement. Now the selling price of the L-shaped magnetic car phone holder is just under $20, whereas the product cost is only $3.70. Shipping will set you back $3.20, so you're looking at a good profit margin of $13.09. Sell this now! Our next product is the titanium coated rotary cutter blades. Now this lasts much longer than traditional steel rotary blades. It cuts multiple layers of fabric effortlessly. It's compatible with all brands of rotary cutters, and it falls under the knitting, sewing, DIY, crafts niche market. And it's a proven seller on AliExpress with many orders, and the Facebook ad has received more than 2,600 likes. And finally, it's perfect for a one product store or for a sewing niche store. Now the selling price for the titanium coated rotary cutter blades is $23.91, whereas the product cost is only $8.49. Shipping is completely free, so you're looking at a good profit margin of $15.42. Sell this now! We all know that Shopify dropshipping is becoming more and more competitive. Finding new products before everyone else is the name of the game. There is no magic or luck in this process. Dropshippers with the best tools will always be ahead of the trend. ADPLEXITY is a premium research tool that gives you real-time data on top trending products. Unlike other research tools, it literally reveals the most profitable products and stores at the moment. As a result, they're the only one that can show you hottest trending products in real time before they get saturated. And good news for our subscribers, we got you an exclusive 25% lifetime discount on your ADPLEXITY membership. Click the link in the description to find out. Our next product is the anti-blue ray reading glasses. Now this is a problem solver. It's an anti-blue light progressive multifocal glasses for indoor or outdoor all-weather wear. It's for people with presbyopia problems, especially when reading books, newspapers, watching TV, playing games, traveling, gathering and fishing. It falls under the self-care reading niche market. And we also think that this item has a broad market base, and it's a proven seller on AliExpress with many orders. And many other similar products were winners before on the market, and it's perfect for a one product store or to build a brand around. And finally, the Facebook ad is getting a lot of engagement. Now the selling price for the anti-blue ray reading glasses is just under $20, whereas the product cost is only $1.39. Shipping will set you back $2.57, so you're looking at a very good profit margin of just over $16. Sell this now! Our next product is the 32 pieces ultimate presser foot set. Now the 32 pieces set gives you unlimited options in your sewing creativity. This set includes 32 of the most popular presser feet that allows you to sew straight, precise lines, install zippers and add eye-catching embellishment. It's an evergreen product, which means you can sell this all year round, and it falls under the sewing, knitting, crafts, DIY niche market. And it's a proven seller on AliExpress with many orders. And it's perfect for a one product store or for a sewing niche store. And finally, the Facebook ad has received nearly 1,000 likes. Now the selling price for the 32 pieces Ultimate Presser Foot set is just under $30, whereas the product cost is only $14.08. Shipping is completely free, so you're looking at a good profit margin of $15.91. Sell this now! Thanks for watching. Now if you like this video and you got some value watching it, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell as I release one video every day with my selection of winning products. You don't want to miss that. Let me know in the comment which product did well for you, and see you tomorrow for another episode of Sell This Now.